Hello, and welcome to Heart with Margie on Wednesday. Heart to Heart Wednesdays. I just wanted to come in and share with you from Get Healthy Now Mastery. So I'm talking from my heart to your heart and from your heart to my heart. And I love doing this. I love it. I love it. I love it. So today I just want to share with you. One of the most important things in life at this moment, remember our goal, our mission is to help transform the health and the wealth of this world, the entire world. Our goal is to reach people from every country, every nation, every continent, every island, wherever there may be life, to help encourage and inspire healthier living around the world, to help and to encourage and inspire people to realize that God created our bodies to heal itself. And we must put inside these bodies the proper nutrients, the minerals, the vitamins, everything, the enzymes that this body needs to flourish and to heal itself. And this is one of the goals of Get Healthy Now Mastery, is to reach out and do our part in encouraging and inspiring people to make the necessary changes in their life. So I just want to ask you a question. What are your health goals? What are your health goals? That's just a question I'm asking you. What are your health goals? To you, what are your health goals? And I talk about this all the time, your health portfolio. It does not have to be anything fancy, you all. It does not have to be fancy. Just get you something to write in and keep it with you. Your health goals. Yes, your health goals. And your vision, your health vision. What's the vision for your health? Think about that. We set goals for everything else. But when it comes to our health, when it comes to this precious body of ours, sometimes we just forget. Sometimes we just forget. We don't think about it. But these bodies are so important to us because when these bodies begin to decay and move out of here, that means we move out of here. But this is our house while we're living in this earth. And so this is why it's important for us to actually have some health goals, have a vision for your health. That's important. So I'm just only here to encourage and inspire each one of you to sit down with yourself. Sit down with yourself. And you and yourself come up with your health goals. Come up with your health goals. They are so important, you guys. So important. Until 17 years ago, I knew my body was important, but I didn't know how. I didn't know the extent of the importance of health goals. I didn't know that. In fact, I'm going to say 10 years ago. See, I know all of y'all who've been vegan and raw and fruitarians, y'all always had y'all's health goals. I ain't talking about y'all. I'm talking about me. I'm talking about me. Even though I made the changes, I knew what I wanted, but I didn't set any goals. I didn't set any goals. So when I began to set goals, I started working towards them. When I say set goals, I'm not talking about setting goals up here. I'm talking about putting those goals on paper, putting those goals in writing. And it's just for you. It's for you. You all, this is exciting. I forgot, y'all. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Y'all, I thank you. You all are my family. We are a community, and this is what I call my family. I feel so connected. I truly feel connected to you all. You all are, and especially those who are consistent. A lot of you are consistent in watching the videos. You're consistent in sending me comments. You are so consistent. And consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. And I'm excited. And I celebrate you all. I'm celebrating you all. I'm celebrating all of my subscribers. I'm celebrating the newcomers. I'm celebrating those who are watching these videos. I'm celebrating you. I celebrate you. I salute you. Yes, I do. I salute you this day. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. Why? It's because of you, Get Healthy Now Mastery is alive. Alive and thriving. You know, my saying says this: fit, fierce, and thriving over 70. Fit, fierce, and thriving over 70. I am excited. I thank God. I truly thank God for this moment in time. For this moment in time. I don't know how to explain it to you. But anyway, I just want to share my heart. Y'all, my heart rejoice. I am rejoicing from the inside out. I am rejoicing from the inside out. But let me share this with you. Again, I've been announcing this, that Get Healthy Now Mastery is fully monetized. We grow. Get Healthy Now Mastery grows from viewing hours, grows from all the comment, grows from all of the thumbs up, grows from you sharing. So I ask you to keep sending me the thumbs up, keep sending comments, keep watching the videos, keep sharing, because this is causing Get Healthy Now Mastery to thrive and continue to thrive and continue to thrive. It's because of you. And I'm grateful. I thank God for you. And may God continue to bless you as you bless Get Healthy Now Mastery. I thank you. But I wanted to share something else. I don't want this video to be no long video. But I just want to share this. Those of you who are making the transition, and we've talked about the goals for April. The all raw beginning April the 12th through April the 18th. All raw. Those who are joining me, put it in the comment section. And again, let me say this. We're starting back on Fasting Fridays. Fasting Fridays start Friday from 10 a.m. Friday until 10 a.m. Saturday morning. So I want you to join me on Fasting Fridays, and we're going to be fasting on Fridays for a while. So I want you to join me on Fasting Fridays. Y'all, we're not going back to the old habits. We're not going back to the old habits. That's not what we're doing all this work for. We are moving forward, fit, fierce, and thriving. Over whatever age you are. Fit, fierce, and thriving. That's the key. So we have to keep doing what it takes. This is why I juice all the time. This is why I tell y'all I'm a juice to Jesus come back. And I say that and I mean that. Yes, I do. So I just wanted to share my heart with you all today because I am excited. Prepare. I don't know if you can see my fruit bowl back there, but my goal is to continue to have fruit in my house. I'm not a fruitarian because I am going to eat my salads and I'm going to juice my juice. So, but I just wanted you all to see that back there and know that prepare yourself. Get prepared. I've got to go to my mom's house. And when I go, I take my juices with me. I take my fruit with me. And if I'm going to eat a salad, I'll take that with me. This is what preparing I'm talking about. Make sure when you leave home, make sure you take things with you. Do not leave home empty-handed. No, don't leave home empty-handed. Make sure you take things with you. Even when you're going out of town, take things with you. When you're going to a social event, talk to the event planner and see if you can bring a dish along with you. You all, there's a way to do it. And again, it's already 11 minutes in, and I'm gonna shut this video down. But again, from my heart to your heart, again, welcome to everybody to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Come on over here and join this community. And there are many getting healthy communities out here, you all. I am so elated to be a part of some of them. Oh my goodness. Rebounding. Oh my goodness. Rebounding. I'm going because we're already 12 minutes in and I just want this to be long. But on the next Heart to Heart, maybe we'll talk about some of the other content creators because there's so many out there. All right. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.